Yeah, all night long. You get used to it. They don't bother me. Can't donate? I don't think we're not monetized yet. We still have to. We're about halfway there. We've got enough subscribers, but we need people to watch more of our videos till they allow us. I appreciate it though. I'm gonna turn the flash off, see how dark it is. Hmm. What game are you playing? Oh, I have no idea. Hmm. I don't know that one. Hmm. I hear Moose. Moose is barking. What's he barking about? Too dark? Here, we're back on the porch. Moose is barking about something. What is he barking at, Raven? Alright, I think we gotta go inside and check it out. Alright, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna go in and check on Moose. Thanks for stopping by.